what's going on, people? So as you can see, here we are, like 18 days after I've seeded. I had a little bit of a rough start. I had a hard freeze like 5 days after I seeded, where it was like 28 degrees and it stayed cold and it's kept the ground temps down for a while. So I had a little bit of a rough start, and I've got some serious problems with the seed having bare spots. So today I'm going to show you what I'm doing to tackle those bare spots. Plus we're going to show you a little update on the Barenbrug RPR, perennial ryegrass, and yeah. All right, hey, so check it out. So I've got all these bare spots, right? And so what I'm doing is I have mixed up in this bucket a mix of peat moss, some seed, and a little bit of starter fert. So I'm gonna go around to all these bare spots and cover them up, try to fill them in a little bit, try to get a little bit extra grow in. So hopefully the lawn will grow in a little bit more evenly. Alright folks, so put down some more peat, put down some more sand, or not sand, I put down some more seed or whatever it is, and I'm going to turn the sprinklers on, water it in, and hopefully some more of this will come in, help fill in. So anyways guys, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one. Dakota says bye. Say bye! Bye-bye! Maybe she doesn't. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye.